we're just picking a job where we can get in the shade.
Yeah, good.
And so we're just taking out this patch of ginger up through here and cut down some of the cestrum and stuff. So today we're just going to try and clear this area so that we can do a planting
Right.
come sort of June or July. The easiest thing to do straight off is to just clear the area by taking all of the leaves. Now the leaves at this time of year can pretty much just go straight back into the bush.
Can I set up a little photo with you guys?
Come right in the front here. That's it. Come right in close. That's good, guys.
Awesome. That's nice. Here we go. Real good laughing, happy ones. Here we go. Just at me, that's good. Come a little bit more in that gap there. That's better. That's good, guys. Just looking at me.